Alright, we got another guy here. We're just gonna do what we did before. I'm gonna list my A, which you can see here is -1. I'm gonna list my B, which you can see right here is going to be 1/10. That's the B. My H we can see is -2, the opposite of that. And my K equals 8. We're going to go ahead and draw a horizontal asymptote at y equals 8. And we're just going to plot 2 points. You notice I wrote the references up here. So our 0, 1 point has moved to H, -2. And then A plus K, -1 plus 8. That gives us 7. -2, 7. There's a point right here. Alright. My -1, 1 over B, so that would be -110. That just flips that over, right? Is going to move to H minus 1. So H minus 1 is -3. Alright. A over B, let's go ahead and write it. -1 over 1/10 plus K plus 8. Well, this flips over and gives me -10 plus 8, or -3, -2. So we got -3, -2. Notice that this guy right here arcs down like this, and then comes and hugs that asymptote just like that. Alright, so there's one of them. The next one, we're going to do the exact same way. What's up, baby? We're going to list it as A equals A equals 3 this time, sorry. A equals 3. B in this case is 1/3. H is -2. And K equals -4. Let's go ahead and mark a horizontal asymptote. Y equals -4, and let's work through it. Alright, so we're just going to plot those 2 points. 0, 1. Alright. It's going to change into H, which again is -2. And then A plus K. 3 plus -4 is -1, just like that. Alright, make it so you can actually see that. Alright. Now we got our -1, 1 over B, so -1/3 in this case, right? Is going to move to, well, this guy is going to be H minus 1, so H minus 1 is -3. And this guy is going to be A, right, over B. B is 1/3. Plus K, which is -4. Well, this is 3 divided by 1/3, or 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9, plus -4 is 5, -3, 5. So let's plot those points. We got -2, -1, and -3 way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -3, 5. So we can see it shoots off in this direction and then comes down and hugs the asymptote right here. And there it is. Alright. Parameters that make the domain and range differ from those of the parent functions. Well, domain and range. There's really nothing that changes the domain, so I'm going to say none. Although, obviously, our H value changes our K. The domain is always going to be -infinity to +infinity. The range, though, the range can be changed by both H and A. Right? Oh, take that back. K and A, because K moves us up and down. And A can flip us, right? It may flip us. And flipping something is going to change the range from going up to infinity to going down to infinity. And that's it. Alright. I see that we have a couple of these guys. So I'm going to save 2 for the next video. I'll let you try one. And that's this video. 2 more videos.